Okay, today we're going to test out this new limited edition red, white, and blue GOOLOO Freedom Jump Starter. There are only 999 of these units made in the world. And I want to thank the folks at GOOLOO for sending me this tool to test out, because one of you viewers will own this jump starter that I'm about to test. So please watch the review, and I'll later go into details on how one of you guys can win this jump starter. So let's get started.
I use primer right here. I got some stores.
5W30.
Oh, it's good for like 45.
Good for storage stuff.
That's air floor cleaner.
Out of body. Okay, so this is how the GOOLOO Jump Starter came to me. It came wrapped in this stuff. Comes in this box. And there she is. Also open up this. There's some goodies in here. Owner's manual. We'll look at that in a second. They give you a bag, carrying bag. The jumper cables. And they give you a bunch of other stuff here. Cigarette lighter, adapters, and USB ports. Here. Charging cord. Okay, so let's look at the owner's manual real quick. And you can see the stuff you get. The battery, car charger, battery clamp, cigarette lighter, female socket, USB cables, and storage bag, and user's manual. Okay, battery itself is right here, and power, and it came to me 78%, so I'm gonna have to charge it up. It's got a light on it also. You can just hold this down and the light will go on. And if you hit it again, push the button again on there, it's got like 3 functions. Pretty bright light. And here's where all the stuff plugs in. Yeah, you can freeze that and look at it if you want. But the cables go right in there. Charger goes in there. You got your USB ports, and I believe this one, cigarette lighter adapter, goes in there. Yeah. Okay, but I know you mainly want to see how this works, and here's the cable wire. So this is pretty much, you know, you can see it's got a square end and a rounded end. So it's only going to go in one way, which is like that. And we go out, we're going to check this out in the garage and check it out on a dead battery and see how it works. Now once it's hooked up to the battery, it's got a display screen right here, and it'll show up in we'll talk about it more when we get out there. So stick around, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the battery that we'll be testing this GOOLOO Jump Starter on. And just so you guys know, this isn't my regular battery. This is just a dead battery I have laying around. My regular battery is right over here. So I took it out. You can see it's 1120. It's only about 2 years old. And took that good one out and replaced it with this junk battery that I have. So let me set the camera up here, and I'll demonstrate how good this battery works. Okay, so you can all tell that that battery is no good. Okay, so let's hook up the jump starter here. First thing you gotta do is hook up the cables. So red positive, black negative. Plug this in. It says right off the bat, 100% ready. Let's see, can you guys see that? Let me hit boost. Well, there you go, folks. It started, no problem. It looks like it's slowly draining it. It's probably charging up the old battery here. So I don't want to do that. I don't care about this old battery. So I'll unhook it. Let's see what it's got. It's got 96% charge left. Yep. So it drained it only 4%. Alright, cool. It's a nice tool. Alright, let's go inside the house and we'll go over the details on how you guys could get this GOOLOO Jump Starter. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I charged it up to 100%, and I want to mention something about the charger that I didn't mention before. Okay, this is all they give you for charging. If you got a smartphone, you could use one of these. You know, you can put this right here. They don't give you this part. Put this in your wall outlet, and this plugs into here. But I'll tell you the truth, this goes pretty slow. So if you're going to use this as a, you know, a tool other than a jump starter, you might want to get this charger here. Page 6. Speed wall charger not included, because they have a charger that you could buy. It needs to be purchased separately. It charges it a lot faster. But like I said, this is the one that I have. Unless you got a faster charging one, this one's kind of slow. And also you can charge it from your cigarette lighter in your vehicle while the car is running. So that might charge it pretty fast also. But if you're just using it as a, you know, jump starter, you're not going to need to be charging it all the time. I mean, if you're going to use these USB ports for charging phones and stuff like that, you might want to invest in that fast charger. So with that being said, I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can buy this GOOLOO Jump Starter. They're going to be on sale from July 3rd to July 6th. They're going to be half price. And I'll put that link in the descriptions. Okay, so the rules for this contest is going to be, you can pick a number from 1 to 5,000 and post it in the comments section. And the closest number without going over will win this GOOLOO Jump Starter. I'm going to use an online stopwatch generator to pick the winner. And the contest will run from now till Monday, July 4th, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So no submissions after that will be valid. Also, any screen names newer than 3 days old will be invalid. I'll make a video on Tuesday, July 5th and announce the winner. So I want to wish everyone good luck. And I think whoever wins this GOOLOO Jump Starter will be very pleased. So I think I'll wrap this video up. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.